Today we are gonna cook 15 hours potato. Angels better be dancing on my tongue after I make this. Okay? You know I'm not following the recipe, right? Deliciousness. That's my expectation. That was me being careful. Add it like that. Where's the English going? 2 days making these damn potatoes. These better make me hear God's voice. They season with just salt, but we're not regular jangular over. Oh, these birds.
Oh no.
Oh, it doesn't come out. It's coming apart. Look at these. Look at that. This is what they looking like. Baking them before, then putting them in the fridge. That takes forever. Make a beautiful, impressive side dish. Small squares. Put a dollop of vegan sour cream on that.